welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Fashom unboxing today, and I wasn't expecting it today. I thought it was coming a little bit later. So hair's back in a headband. Here we go. So, Fashom. If you haven't tried Fashom before, I'll leave a description down below about Fashom. They send you 5 items. They send you a preview. You pick what you want them to send you, and it's great. I like it. We are going to use our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're going to open her up. And if you want to try Fashom, I'll leave a link below. I think you might get like $10 off your first box, maybe. I can't remember. But yeah, try them out. I really liked them. Ooh, there we go. This box feels stuffed. Wish. Oh my gosh, this tape. I can do it. Come on. Did you hear that? That's how stuffed this is. It's just coming on out. Thank you. Self-love is the best outfit is what it says. Try before you buy. Returns are free and convenient. Has a little note there. And has the mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. This is one of my Stitch Fix tops I kept. It's kind of like a little bit The Rock vibes with the necklace. Maybe. the black, you know what I'm talking about. Black turtleneck, and he has like the gold chain. A little bit. Okay. This has the note and it has the prices. Hi Rachel and happy holidays. I hope you're having an amazing holiday season thus far. Thank you for styling with Fashom again for that beautiful weather. There's snow outside. I have included a mixture of some great winter wear styles. A few of these pieces are a bit transition. I'm not sure where my camera just cut off, but my card was full, so I had to delete some stuff. So, where did we leave off? I don't know. A few of these pieces are a bit transitional as well, but one of my favorites could be the Mia polka jacket because it can be worn so easily with either the Lily intermingled brush top or Tina knit sweater and a pair of cute jeans for a comfortable yet pulled together look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Kristen, XO. Thanks, Kristen. Here we go. So, yeah, a little different look for me today. I hope you like it. Here we go. I had it up in a ponytail and I went shopping. I went to Marshall's and a furniture store because we're in the market for a new dining room table. And it was just like up in a ponytail, and then I got home and I was like, my box. And today's a Sunday as I'm filming this, so I don't really have time this week to do it, so I'm like, we're just gonna do it. Here we go. Let's see our bundle. There it is. Yep, see, okay. So I remember that polka dot jacket. I thought it was black and white. So pictures sometimes don't do them justice, as we know. So, but everything feels really soft, so let's open her up. All right. Here we go. We have, I don't know what that was. We have a top with the back is a twist in the back. And she's a little see-through, but still cute. Nice length. It's like a tunic length, it looks like. Long sleeves. They have a cuff. Ooh. Have a cuff on the sleeve. So that's nice. I thought it would be nice for work. You know, as one does. And this one was a little more casual, kind of like a waffle knit. I guess it's not too waffly, it's just like a knit. Tie-dye kind of thing, but still like a v-neck. Thought that'd be cute with leggings or joggers. This one is a waffle knit, and it's just a purple, also kind of longer length v-neck. Kind of basic, but be nice to put on when you get home from work. Have something real soft and nice, you know. And this is the one I thought was black, so I probably won't be keeping it because it's navy. But it's real cute. It's polka dots. It's like a little jackety blazer kind of thing. No pockets, but oh cute. And then last but not least is this yellow one. Just kind of a yellow sweater. Also, I think a v-neck. I was feeling the v-necks this box. So I thought that was nice. Nice knit too. So let's try everything on. First up is the yellow sweater because it was on top of the pile. And I think this is cute. It's not so much like it's like a rounded v-neck. It's kind of cute with the knit, and it has like the thicker kind of band, not band, but you know, right there where the knits come together. So right down the center is cute. Here's the back, if you can see. So it's a nice length, I think. I think that's cute. It's like really soft. It's not too itchy. Looks good with the headband. I've been wearing a lot more headbands lately, Mari. Mari's my friend. She's in school in Missouri. But yeah, it was her birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Mari. Everyone say happy birthday to Mari in the comments. So yeah, I think this one's real cute. It's a basic, I would say, but still nice. All right, let's try on the next one. Here's another basic with the purple waffle knit. I think it might be too basic. I feel like you could get this, you know, on Amazon or something for like 20 bucks. But it's a nice length. I like how soft it is too. It's really soft, and I like the color. I've been liking the dark purples lately. So I think it's nice. Here's the back, if you can see. It's a nice length. It'll kind of cover your booty. So yeah, I think that's good. I just don't, I like the V-neck too. Again, it's kind of more like a rounded V-neck. But I don't think it's a keeper from the box so far. We'll see. Let's try on the next one. Here is the V-neck V-neck. And it goes down pretty good amount. I like the tie-dye of it. It's a little more like slouchier, which is good for just like throwing on at home. It has, you know, the kind of like exposed seams though. I'm not super a fan of that. But it's a good length. I just don't know. I don't know. I think the yellow one's the winner so far, but we'll see what the prices are because I don't remember. But it is nice. I do like the bigger sleeves, so it would go good with leggings, like I said. Kind of slouchier, but yeah. Oh, it's this headband, guys. It's just got me in a different mood today. All right, let's try on the next one. I don't really like this one. It also has the exposed stitches, which I didn't notice. So here is the front. It's also a little big on me. I think I need to tell them I need to size down since the last time I got a box with them. And here's the back. I do think the back is cute. But I just think it's too big. And yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep it. You can tuck it in. It's just not my bag, baby. All right, let's try on that blazer. I gotta go find a shirt to go with it. So here's the blazer. I think this might be the cutest thing out of the box. However, I'm just not a navy wearer. Like, I would probably only wear this to work. And I don't really have pants to go with the navy. I guess I have a pair of like gray pants, but I mean, it looks cute with these jeans, but it's just like, I don't know. I know I think it's probably just not my style. But it is cute if it is your style. If you're a blazer wearer, like you wear blazers to work, you know, you work at a cool place that wears blazers. Oh, it does have pockets. Well, that's nice. So it does have pockets. So I'll go over the names and prices and everything at the end. So if you like this, request it because it has pockets. And that's nice. I kind of wish it had like a closure, but maybe that'd be too much. I don't know. It is cute though. It is cute. All right, let's go over all the prices and see if I'm going to keep anything. And maybe I won't. Maybe I won't keep anything. I don't know. Let's find out. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. I feel like I'm like a floating head today. Alright, so the L Love Turner Waffle Knit Top in that tie-dye is $46. The Natural Life Lily Intermingled Brush Top is $45. That's the purple one. So yeah, like I feel like you could find that somewhere else for less money. The So In Love Cali Animal Print Top, $54. The Cozy Tina Knit Sweater in the yellow, it's $62. And the Andre by Unit Mia Polka Jacket is $45. So, the cool thing about Fashom is if you keep all 5 things, you get 30% off. So if I did 30% off, it'd be $176.40 for the whole box. If you do 3 or more items, you get 15% off. So that's kind of nice that they give you something else besides for the whole box. I don't know if I'm going to keep anything. To be honest, I invested $20 in this box. So, I mean, I could keep the purple one and just spend another $25 since I already have the $20 invested. Because I did like that one. It was really cozy. So I don't know. That might be what I do if I keep anything. Is maybe keep the purple top because the $20 I consider that I already spent on it is already gone. I don't even think about it. So it would be $25 to keep this, which I might do. I might do it. All right. You guys have a super great day. I don't know what you're doing today, but I have to wrap Christmas presents because it is like a week before Christmas as I'm filming this. It won't go up for a few weeks. But I have to wrap Christmas presents and do laundry and maybe buy a table later. I don't know. So I hope you guys are having a great day too. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.